So let's look at 2020 paper 1, a question on calculus. So it said integrate y is equal to x to the power negative 3 minus 3x to the power 4 plus 5. So they want us to integrate this expression or this function. So the function is given by y is equal to x to the power negative 3 minus 3x to the power 4 plus 5. Okay, so what we're going to do is, now in this case you realize the first term has been raised to the power negative 3, then the second term has been raised to the power positive 4, then we have got 5. Now this 5 can also be written as x to the power 0. Okay, so now this 5x to the power 0 is the same as 5, because when you differentiate this one, you realize this one, 5x to the power 0, it's 1. 1 times 5, you get 5. You come back to what? 5. Okay, so this 5 can also be written as what? X to the power what? 0. So this one and this one are just the same. So you are supposed to reject this one before you proceed. Okay, so now let us proceed. Remember what I said, when you differentiate, so when you're integrating, what you do first is this power is supposed to increase by 1. Okay? Then the coefficient in this case, which is 1, you divide the coefficient by the new power. Okay? You do the same equal for these other terms. Okay? So the first term, which is what? The first term is x to the power negative 3. So I'm saying this power, you increase this power by 1 by adding 1. So it's a plus 1. Okay? So this x has a coefficient of what? 1, which is invisible. Then you divide now this coefficient by the new power, which is what? Negative 3 plus 1. Okay? We can move on and say you maintain minus 3x to the power 4. So in this case, we have got power 4. I'm saying the power increases by 1. So I'm going to say plus 1. Then you divide the coefficient by the new power. So you say over 4 plus 1. Okay, let us move on. Plus equal, you do the same this side. You have 5x to the power 0. Now we are saying the power increases by 1. I'm going to increase the power by 1. So we say plus 1. Then you divide by the new power, which is 0 plus 1. Then you add a constant, which is what? C. Okay? So we can move on and say 1. Then you say x. Negative 3 plus 1, you get negative 2. Over negative 3 plus 1, you get negative what? Negative 2. Okay? Then minus 3x 1, sorry, 4 plus 1 get 5. 4 plus 1 get 5 over 4 plus 1 get 5 plus 5x to the power 0 plus 1, you get 1 over 0 plus 1, you get 1 plus c. Okay, so here what to do is this one can also be written as what? Negative 1 over 2 x to the power negative 2 minus 3 over 5 x to the power 5 plus 5 into 1 into 5x, you get 5x plus 3. Okay, so you can leave your answer at this level, but it is advisable to leave this power. You're not supposed to have a negative power in short. Okay, so this one can also be written as negative 1 over 2x squared, okay, minus 3 over 5x to the power 5 plus 5x plus c. Okay, so this is the way we integrate this one. Okay,